In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image a link in Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a document. Suppose this is the column where you need to add an image with a link. To do this, select a cell. In the title bar, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down, click on the Insert Link button. You can also do this by pressing Ctrl+K on your keyboard. Here, add a link to the website that you want to attach the cell with. Click on Apply. You can see here that our text has turned blue because of the hyperlink. Change the text color to white. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the drop-down, click on Image. Click on Insert Image over Cells. In the Insert Image menu, click on Browse. Select your image. Now resize the image according to your cell size. Place it in the cell. Here you can see that if I click on the cell now, it shows a clickable link to the website that I attached. You can see that the hyperlink takes us to the website we added earlier.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.